Imagine the power to tailor medicine precisely to your unique health needs. That's the strength of a compounding pharmacy. In bustling Raleigh, North Carolina, compounding pharmacies are changing the face of healthcare by crafting custom medications. These establishments rise above the limited scope of commercial drugs, delivering individualized solutions ranging from kid-friendly doses to allergen-free formulations. They bridge a significant gap in the healthcare system, especially for patients with unique needs or sensitivities. A compounding pharmacy isn't just about mixing ingredients. It's an amalgamation of art and science, and it's personal.
But the effects of these compounding pharmacies echo beyond the individual patients. Their valuable contributions shape a healthier, happier community. Isn't it time you experienced the power of personalized medicine? If you want to explore this fascinating world, or if you have specific health needs, don't wait. Find a compounding pharmacy near Raleigh today.